Today we're going on a fantastic journey into the tiny world inside every living thing. Let's imagine you're playing the coolest video game ever, but instead of controlling a character, you're in charge of building one from scratch. This is kind of what DNA does in our bodies. Did you know that inside every single one of your cells, there's something that's not exactly an object, but more like a super intricate package of information? That's right, I'm talking about DNA. So DNA isn't a thing you can hold. Think of it as a super secret code, like cheat codes for games, but way more complex. This code has all the instructions to make you. This isn't merely a twist of molecules, but a sophisticated language composed of billions of genetic letters arranged in a sequence so precise that it defies the probability of random formation. I mean, picture a giant zipper. That's our DNA molecule. The teeth of the zipper are like little steps made of 4 special letters: A, T, C, and G. Now these stand for adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These aren't just any letters though, they're the alphabet of life. And just like how arranging letters in different ways can make tons of different words, these DNA letters make up genes, which are like instructions for building parts of your body. Genes are segments of DNA that serve as the master composers of the biological symphony. Each gene meticulously orchestrates the production of proteins, the molecular machines responsible for every biological function. Now, the regulation of these genes, their ability to turn on and off in response to environmental cues, demonstrates a level of complexity and precision that far exceeds the bounds of serendipitous assembly. It's a system that speaks of intention, a premeditated design for life's diverse tapestry. Now, genes aren't just one long string of letters either, though. They're more like a bunch of sentences that can be mixed and matched in different ways to make different things. It's like having a set of Lego instructions that you can use to build different models using the same pieces. Think of DNA like the ultimate instruction manual for building you. But here's the kicker. The DNA molecule itself is like a storage device, but the real treasure is the information, the genes that are stored on it. Now, James Watson and Francis Crick, 2 super smart scientists, figured out that genes are like sentences with thousands of letters, all in a precise order. Okay, so where do chromosomes fit into all of this? Well, chromosomes, which you can think of like chapters in an instruction manual, are made of DNA and proteins. They help decide which traits you get from your parents. We all have 46 chromosomes, with 23 from mom and 23 from dad. And guess what? 2 of these chromosomes decide if you're a boy or a girl. Our genetic library consists of approximately 20,000 genes spread across 46 chromosomes, creating a tapestry of inherited traits. The careful packaging of DNA into chromosomes and the error-checking mechanisms during cell division all point to a level of engineering brilliance that goes beyond the realm of random chance. It suggests a foresight in preserving the integrity of life's instructions across generations. And it's all right there in every single cell of your body. Genes are super special because they tell your body how to make proteins. You know, proteins, they do a bunch of really important stuff, like make your muscles strong and your hair curly or straight. Within DNA, genes function as blueprints for constructing proteins, the building blocks of life. Consider the DNA molecule. Within its framework lies not just random sequences, but a coded language, sophisticated and beyond coincidental assembly. The process of DNA replication itself is a testament to the concept of intelligent design. Each strand of the DNA molecule serves as a template for creating a new complementary strand, ensuring that every cell inherits a perfect copy of the genetic information. The enzymes involved in this process, such as DNA polymerase, operate with such precision that the error rate is astonishingly low. This system not only safeguards the genetic information, but also allows for the incredible diversity of life through minor variations. The replication process, in its efficiency and accuracy, mirrors the precision of a master craftsman, ensuring the continuity of life's blueprint with minimal error. The journey from DNA to protein through the processes of transcription and translation is a marvel of biological engineering. The transcription of DNA into mRNA, followed by the translation of mRNA into amino acid sequences, showcases a complex but flawlessly executed transfer of information. The ribosome, a molecular machine, reads mRNA sequences and assembles proteins with precision. This two-step process, converting genetic code into functional molecules, embodies the essence of a system designed for complexity. The information found in just one DNA is the information equivalent of 1,030 volume Encyclopedia Britannicas, or about 1 million typed pages of specific information, again, found in just one DNA. If you came across even one page from that Encyclopedia Britannica and began to read just one page, would you think to yourself that the words on that page could have come together by chance? I don't think so. Well, what about 10 pages? Of course not. Well, with DNA, we are not talking about one page or 10 pages of specific information, not even 100 pages or 1,000 pages, but 1 million pages of specific information. Where did that information in the very first DNA originally come from? It points to God. Do you really believe something so complex and specific could just come about by chance? As we delve into the depths of DNA structure and function, we are continually met with evidence of an underlying design, a blueprint so intricate and precise that it points unequivocally to the existence of an intelligent creator. The complexity of genetic information, the elegance of molecular mechanisms, and the foresight embedded in the systems of inheritance and protein synthesis all suggest a design of unimaginable sophistication. This points to an intelligent designer, thus God. But how does that take us from God to Jesus? Check out that video right there and find out.